Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nestembu, right? I did Uthando Nestembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nestembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos. Bazalwadi, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. We are back, Uthando Nestembu, right? Guys, I just can't wait to see episode Kamakumalo. Honestly, I love Makumalo. You guys know that, right? I can't wait to see episode Kamakumalo, and I'm interceding. Ukulegele umuntu ngamazi, and you pray for the outcome that you want for her. I'm interceding like nobody's business, but I can't wait for episode Kamakumalo. Umusa Mseleku's episode aired. From what I gathered is that Umayeni is making abantwana, in particularly Usbindi, not to like Umakhumalo based on the things that are said about Umakhumalo, right? Also, Umayeni no Musa Mseleku, they're in, I guess, a competition when it comes to the relationship yabo no Sbindi, because Usbindi is being told everything that he shouldn't be told, you know, like things that are in the relationship baba no mama. But I don't know, for me, where I'm seated, every woman in defense of Umusa Mseleku got into that polygamy knowing ukuthi bafunan, right? And bazoshada indoda enjani. Yes, it must be, it should have been nice in the beginning. But polygamy, knowing how there are going to be multiple wives, knowing that the relationship is going to be like this. Now, it seems as if every woman is overwhelmed and blaming Umusa. It does not make sense for me. Also, this is easy. I don't know, maybe they are making the whole thing difficult for content's sake or what. It's easy for Makwela to get in Mzumbe, ahlale avuse umuzi wasemzumbe, and then the Umusa Mseleku ahambe ngomuzi nomuzi, strengthening the relationship with everybody else. I don't know, but I don't know. I mean, I'm just waiting for the episode Kamakumalo. Hore Musa Wirling, I don't really care. I want episode Kamakumalo. That's me. Basaloni, good morning and welcome back to Gamlung. Sesibuyile ka Mrs. ka kind regards sizoyenza into nje ezwenza ukuthi uDecember sim-enjoy phela sesiphilela uDecember. I want to respond to Ulusi, right? Ulusi is raising valid points. Uti, I don't think so. These wives have a problem. I don't think these wives have a problem with number 5, right? Most of them are advocating for him to fix the current problem. Make seems to be the breadwinner, even though we might not want to admit it. Mayeni and Magwabe just want to be treated right, heard and respected. Macele Bandla is just minding her own business, but Musa uyathanda umfaka kwindaba ezingamfuni amenze uflow. All right. Here's why I disagree with the statement, right? The first line, I don't think these wives have a problem with number 5. They have a problem with number 5. Because if they didn't have a problem with number 5 begazongena without issues being la. And I'm saying all of them, right? Why am I saying all of them? Including Umacele. I feel Umacele is happy because finally uzoba nomuntu ekhoneni lakhe. But if she had to choose, she would not have number 5. That's just me. Izokuthi wayengitsho kanjani. Umseleku makazoshada uMacele, washada uMacele wambeka eMzumbe. uMacele waphuma eMzumbe wayesa iPark makuzongena uMayeni. Ngisho asiyeke indaba kaMasawula kasekho, makuzongena uMayeni, right? She said, if you remember well, kulama uncut, she said she had to understand ukuthi she's going to be the last resort. Kuyoqalwa ngalapha kulungiswe le kwenziwa izinto le yena abe unumber last. So as wife number 1, if she was understanding ukuthi izinto mele zime for yena kuyenzelwe laba abalandelayo, why are they all not understanding ukuthi izinto azime kuyenzelwe laba abanye? uMacele in her session uthe kulungiselwe everybody, then kwagcinwa ngeSiphaqa. iSiphaqa basibonisa isithombe ukuthi iSiphaqa did not start as this beautiful upstairs. iSiphaqa was created upstairs after uMseleku sekaqedile ukwakhela abakhosikazi wakhe lawa amanye eMzumbi. So there you have a problem. Another point, they have a problem because there are houses in Mzumbi. We don't know how damaged they are, but uMakhwela can easily get into one of those houses as a Mzumbi and live happily ever after Mzumbe, and then Umseleku aqhubeke ngale timetable schedule yokubona amakhosikazi wakhe. But he can't do that because they don't want ukuthi yena lo girl uMakhwela ahlale eMzumbi. Where will they lose? If uMaKay vele is the breadwinner indeed, uGirl will continue to support her husband's vision because she knows ukuthi undoda yakhe ifuna abantwana abayi-20 and kubo bayi-4 abasaphumi labantwana. Right? So mina I feel ukuthi to some extent they are being selfish, to some extent they are spiting uMseleku, to some extent they are just, I don't know, they're just not being understanding because uMseleku laid down his plan, his vision. Mele bahambe ngalo plan nalo vision. Angisho uyikhanda lo laleya muzi ene isithembu esakhe ene unumber 2, number 3, number 4 bangene bazi le vision. So why are they stopping it now on number 5? I don't know, guys. Angas. And for me, they are making this situation 10 times difficult because it does not have to be this difficult. Agangenu number 5 abo mthwalo kaMusa eMzumbi and then bona ba enjoy indoda yabo bazoze bashone bangaporinyaka nanga kahle. Yazi ukuba mdala kunzima kanjani? Isikhathi ukuthi babe busy. They can't be busy because ba concentrate kuMakhwela. uMakhwela kama busy wa career, Makhwela busy wa career. uMakhwela, I also think ukuthi she was not crying necessarily because also only on post-Petram, because mina I think ukuthi ileyo nto leyo nibiza post-Petram post yazwa yini. She's also saddened by the fact ukuthi these people are the ones that understand ivision kaMseleku. These people are the people that got in after me. Why are then they giving me problems while number 1 is supporting me? Ama-cheerleaders kaMakhwela should be the other 3 abangene after because they understand ukuthi umuntu ukulanyiswa, unkosikazi wasesithenjini ukulanyiswa. Hence bathi sibindu yabulala sibindu yaphilisa. Ngirong and ngicela ningitsheleni mangirong, ningicorrecteni kahle.